Hey YouTube, how you doing? This is the Highland Chef. Today we are making Korean barbecue chicken sandwiches. Begin by cutting one side off of an iceberg lettuce and then cutting it into fine shreds. This will go on our sandwich later in the video. Next, we will cut one large tomato into thick slices that would fit onto a sandwich. Be sure to give these a generous amount of salt and pepper, as this will both season the tomatoes and draw out moisture to make them extra juicy. Next, we will julienne one onion by first making cuts on the top and bottom, and then cutting it in half. This will make removing the skins much easier. With the skins removed, we will cut the onions into fine juliennes. These were cooked off-screen with Poblano Peppers until they were caramelized. While the onions are cooking, it is time for us to cook our chicken. I am using a 6-ounce breast which has been cut in half and pounded to tenderize, before it has been seasoned with salt, pepper, and oil. We will cook the chicken for about 3 minutes on each side, or until we see clear juices running out of the meat. We will give the chicken one more turn before brushing it with a generous amount of Korean barbecue sauce. Then we will cook it for 1 more minute to caramelize the sugars. With the chicken cooked, it is time for us to assemble our sandwich. Begin by spreading a dollop of mayo on a toasted Kaiser bun, before topping with the shredded lettuce, tomatoes, and onion and pepper mixture from earlier. Then add the chicken and top with the second bun.